Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off window, ink, workspace icon in taskbar. This guys very easy and simple method. One or two step we can know how to turn off window, ink, workspace icon in taskbar. This guys very easy and simple method. Right click any empty area in taskbar and here you see taskbar setting option is available. Click on it, then scroll down and here you see turn system icon on or off. Click on it, then scroll down. Here you see option window ink workspace. There is, please off it. There is no option here. This way guys we can know how to turn off window ink workspace. Guys, very easy and simple method. One or two steps we can know how to turn off window ink workspace. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not.